If you ask me how much does a wood pellet mill cost, let me answer your question. First of all, there are many models of pellet machines, such as SHD 560 pellet machine and SHD 76 pellet machine, SHD 850 pellet machine, etc., as well as feed pellet machine. Our company has many models of pellet machine. If you want to buy pellet machine, you can tell me the output you need, the moisture of raw materials, the use after pressing pellets. If you want to consult more questions about the pellet machine, you can contact me, my tel/WeChat/WhatsApp/line, +86 15725159203.